So just another example of that, and this is number 14 on page 392. Oh, it's not 392, it's 369. Who told you it was 392? It's 369. Chapter 6 in your textbook. So if you didn't try the last one on your own, you should definitely try this one first. Go ahead and try it. Okay, so now let's see if you got the same thing that I'm going to get. So we're going to start by saying that the 5x plus 14 over x squared plus 7x. So I'm going to try and sort of keep it to the minimum in terms of what I'm writing here. So I can factor this in my head. It's x times x plus 7. So let's put a over x plus b over x plus 7. And we're just going to do it like that, right? So then multiplying everything by x times x plus 7, I'm going to have 5x plus 14 equals a times x plus 7 plus bx. And then distributing out the a in this case is the only thing we have to distribute. So I have ax plus 7a plus bx. So a little bit fewer things. Sometimes it's more confusing when we have fewer things, but I think in this case not. We're going to equate all the x parts. So we're going to say 5x equals ax plus bx. We're going to divide the x out and say 5 equals a plus b. By the way, there are other ways to do this, but this is pretty good. Then I'm going to equate the constant parts. 14 equals 7a. And so now it's nice and easy. I still have two equations and two variables, but one of them's like super easy. So I just have 2 equals a, and then I can just look at this and clearly see that 3 equals b. All right, so now I got my a and my b. Now I can rewrite the integral. So like all this is like what you should write in terms of justification for people who are having trouble, either writing too much or not enough. This is how much you should write. And then I'm going to start working on this integral again, right? So I took a left turn for my integral. So since I'm starting a calculation again, I'm going to start with that integral. And I'm going to say that that integral equals, so it's a over x, my a is 2, so it's 2 over x plus b over x plus 7, so it's going to be 3 over x plus 7 dx. Okay, so now you've seen enough of these. I mean, it's sort of like you haven't seen that many of them, but you're going to sort of get the idea of the pattern of how this works. That from here, I'm not even going to write out the 2 and the 3 and separate the integrals. I'm just going to say this is 2 ln of absolute value of x plus 3 ln of absolute value of x plus 7. And you're welcome to do that. Just jump to the ln's, and whatever's in the numerator is going to be in front. If there's a number like 5 right here in front of the x, then you're going to put times 1/5. And you could, of course, combine that right away with the constant in front. We'll put our plus c, and we're done with that one. Alrighty. Okay. Let's look at number 20 here. Oh, I'm out of paper. All right, so I'm going to go get some more paper and do number 20. So this is a short video.